Elton! ¡Vamos! Elton! Venga, déjalo.
Introducing the Dream Team, the fearless protector and his top cheerleader. My friend's idea of a gentle wake-up call, the free-falling method.
You can't put his head right in your mouth. Oh.
Besties who don't nap together aren't really besties, just sleep acquaintances. Who says size matters in the animal kingdom? This little guy's got the reins. If cuteness were a crime, these furry boys would be serving life sentences. Follow your heart, they said, so now I'm just following you everywhere, buddy. Birds of a feather flock together, literally. Cat and dog, proving that best friends come in different fur types. Thanks for joining us as we meet our surprise guests. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more heartwarming and funny content. See you soon! Welcome to our humble abode, my friend. We hope you'll stay over. Tag that one friend who's always convinced they know every shortcut.
I'm on a boat. It might sink or I might jump off.
Me trying to convince my friend that gossiping in public is a great idea.
Max. That's a turtle. I'm not gonna go look at it.
Dog's new bodyguard is a turtle. Back off. This shell's got my back.
Max, that's a turtle. Buddy.
Barn fashion update. White and orange is the new black. When you're the official third sibling in the doggo family. Cutest, unlikely friendship ever. Who knew a hedgehog could be such a great friend?
Saan ka na naman pupunta? Gagala ka na naman, no?
My dog rushing to the VIP doggy meetup like it's the event of the year. The most comfortable place in the world? Nowhere but where your best friend's back. When your friend's got a boat and you're the captain. My boss's reaction when someone enters his office. What's going on? Being the only single friend among your married crew feels like... Do you know that best friends share everything, even the sun rays? Guys, these animals are holding hands with their feet.
There you go.
They're the fastest friends in the West. Together, they're leaving everyone in the dust. When you come over to your friends but their parents is at home.
Nope.
Mom, open the door please. My new bestie has swung by. Did my dog just start a new career as a chauffeur? Guess I missed the memo. Me trying to get my mum to hurry up and answer the door.
Oh, come on.
What's wrong with this big black skunk? Why does he smell so good? When your therapist is a cat and their therapy is needing. My dog thinks he's a zookeeper and now I have a pet.
Where is he?
Over there.
Max! Oh my god, that's your new friend?
Me and my best friend when we're both trying to figure out who's cuter. This happens when you accidentally join the wrong Zoom meeting.
Look what Ninja found. You be nice? What do I do with it, huh?